What's up, folks? Rick Amey here from Kingston, Ontario, Canada. I just thought I'd do a video out. I just finished my walk out here in Kingston. Did about 20 miles so far. Now, it wasn't snowing very much the whole trip. Then it started a little bit. I went in and grabbed some groceries. Look at it. It is a blizzard out here now. You can't even see 100 feet away. But what? Oh yeah, right. Salute, peace, thumbs up, Canadians, Americans, the world. Had to get that in there. Just thought I'd tap in. This is crazy doing this, but you know, these things don't come around that often, right? So, anyway. What do I got new? I got some, let me try something here. I just want to love you, hug and kiss and touch you. I just want to love you, girl. I just want to love you, hug and kiss and touch you. I just want to love you, girl. I can't get enough of you. I can't get enough. I can't get enough of you. I can't get enough. Every step you take, every move you make, I'll be watching you, babe. Every step you take, every move you make, I'll be watching you, babe. Yeah, I haven't got the, that's right, baby. I'll be watching you from a snowstorm. Kingston snowstorm. We used to have the, back over there, it was the comedians. The comedians would go in over there. I don't know if you can see that. One of our motels here. Anyway. Yee-haw! Gotta watch myself. Coming through this whole thing, I nearly flipped. There, let me go. Kisses to all the lovely ladies all the way around the world, and thumbs up to all the guys. I threw some added stuff in there. I haven't did a video for a bit. Taking the winter, I usually creep out of there, creep off Facebook for a few months. Typically it's a year, so I don't know when I'm gonna post this. Probably soon or whatever. Take a break from it all, because you go hard all year round. Videos and writing songs and melodies and all that stuff. So, yeah, I don't know whether what you're seeing, whether that camera's strong enough to go through all that. But anyway, yeah, I gotta watch it out here, because now that's snow on top of the ice, And I nearly slipped a few times coming in there, Oh yeah. Slip. Well, at least you got your phone with in case if you slip and break a limb or something, Break a limb. Shake it, baby. Shake it. Shake it until you've reached the bed. And then I'll shake it for you. So here's a motel coming up, and then I'm going to close her down. I stayed in here when I came back to Kingston for a night. Actually, I was just checking out a guy doing a lot of well, you probably heard that. It's blowing the snow off there. Doing a lot of Google mapping. I'm traveling all over the world with Google mapping, going into cities, towns all over the world. I was into Colombia checking out stuff. It's pretty wicked the way they live down in there. Puerto Rico, all through the America, down into LA. I'm studying right now on all the homeless down in there. That's pretty wicked, man. Up to about 75,000, they're saying, down in there. Checking out the homeless places all over America and up here in Canada. Seeing what they're doing about it, Because, yeah, there's a problem there, boy. It's pretty dangerous, too, when you're going into those areas, right? So, from what they're saying, I'd love it. I'd go down there. Lots of graffiti, beautiful graffiti down in the LA, all over the place, But people are cool. In general, those people are cool. Like, we got them here in Kingston. And they're nice people, eh? Yeah, most people are. Just don't bother people, man. Be nice to them. Give them stuff if you can give them stuff. Whatever. You know, they're just like you and me, man. They fall on hard times, and a lot of people are giving up on them. They're giving up on themselves, and they're just doing their dope until they croak, eh? Do your dope till you croak, baby. See, I can't even, somebody's coming up here now, I think. That was the motel there. Nights in. Wasn't bad. I think they wanted about, I don't know, $100 a night, something like that. Anyway, let's go across the street. This guy, I gotta really watch it, eh? I can't see with all this snow. I'll get fucking, pardon my language there, get nailed by a vehicle, eh? Anyway, yeah, this guy down in Vegas, he's touring around down there. He's doing the LA Skid Row area, and then he was up into Vegas. Actually, he did the LA, he was up in Vegas there, getting to know people, eh? So the one guy had points, put him up in the motel. It's like $1,000 a night, eh? Here, hang on. What happened? I don't know what it's doing. Zooming in, zooming out. Okay, I gotta get off this thing. Yeah. You put my snowy bags down. Yeah, so he showed around in that Vegas room, eh? It was pretty hot. As soon as you walk into the bathroom, there's a great big picture all along the whole wall there of a female. All in black and white, eh? It was pretty excellent. Anyway. My bags are covered in snow. Anyway, yeah, so went in, yeah, for $1,000 a night, eh? I stayed in motels. Yeah. $100 a night. And then, I mean, you're in one night. I've stayed longer, right? I was in for about 3 months. Yeah, you can ring up quite the bill. But he was in there for one night. Can you imagine that? You go in there for one night, $1,000. No, you want to go in there, get a deal for a week. Like Las Vegas, you're looking right down at the water and all the entertainment and all that. Like, who's going to go in there for a night? Anyway, I got to pack this up. What? Trying to carry all these bags from the grocery store. Okay, let me put this down. Say see you later. Hang on, I just wiped that once. What? Hope everybody is doing well. Oh yeah, right.